Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think we're going up in either a WXY or possibly an ABC. Like this is either a W or an A. This move down is either a B or a X. And we're now either in a wave Y or a wave C. The difference is a wave Y should be three waves, and a wave C should be a trend, like impulsive, higher highs, higher lows. Either way, more than likely it is going to take out the previous highs of the A or W, and more than likely, eventually, after it does that, I still think it's going to end up making another big move to the downside. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely still looking for logs for sure. I mean, I'm wondering if this right here is the end of a pullback right here. I mean, I don't really know because this looks like another three-way pullback right here. I definitely would continue to be bullish. There's no reason to think otherwise on the dollar index not to continue to be bullish. The US dollar Swiss has given us no reason to not be bullish. We don't even have a breaker structure on the 1 hour time frame. So I am definitely still looking for longs at the end of pullbacks every chance I get. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.